In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use components in Jira. Whether you're managing a simple project or handling a complex set of tasks, components can help organize your issues and enhance your workflow significantly. Let's dive right into it so that by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident in setting up components for your project. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Jira project. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once your project is open, cast your eyes over to the top navigation panel. Here, you're looking for the option named Components. It might be tucked in among other options like Issues or Reports, but once you find it, you're on the right track. Now that you've located it, go ahead and click on Components. This will bring you to the Components section where you can see existing components if there are any, or create new ones. To create a component from scratch, you'll want to find and click Create Component. This is your gateway to setting up a new segment within your project. Once you've clicked Create Component, you'll be guided to a new form. Here, you'll start by entering a name for your component. Think about the structure of your project. You might want to name it something like Front-End or Database, depending on what makes logical sense for your project setup. While filling in the form, you'll notice the option to add a description. Though it's optional, adding a description could be helpful for anyone else using the project, offering them more context about what this component covers. Once you've given your component a name and optional description, you'll need to assign a lead. Here, you assign a responsible person to oversee this particular component. This could be yourself or a teammate who is best suited to manage it. Additionally, consider who the default assignee should be. This is the person who will get issues assigned automatically to them when they fall under this component. Picking the right person can streamline the handling of tasks and ensure they go to the most capable hands. With all this carefully set up, hit Save to finalize and create your component. Congratulations, you've added a component to your project. Now, let's talk about how you assign issues to a component. Open any issue such as a bug or a story and find where it says Component in the fields. Select the component you want from the drop-down list. Once selected, simply click outside the field and your selection will be saved automatically. And if you need to remove a component from an issue, it's simple. Click on the component field again and you'll see an X next to the name of the component. Click the X and the component is removed from that issue. And there you have it, a concise guide to using components in Jira. With these skills you can enhance your project organization, making it more efficient and easier to manage. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.